I like that. I like that. Okay, may ambag yung military, hindi lang puro Avengers. Oh! Damn! Okay. Hey, what's up, Peters? Our guys, it's your favorite Marvel trio here, who I guess Digo Blockers. And we are the Marvel Slumpers Squad. In today's video, we will be watching Marvel Entertainment's latest animation project, my guys. Okay, we are about to experience Halloween anytime soon, and we just watched one of the most hyped trailers ng Marvel ever, in my opinion. It's the Marvel Zombies, my guys. Very exciting. Inabangan ko siya ever since magpakita sila ng trailer. But then again, it is somewhat, I think, related to the What If series, nung Marvel Zombies episodes niya. And medyo magiging ganun yung tone ng show na to. Nagkaroon siya ng upgrade in terms of how gory and violent the show would be.
How it's supposed to be.
How it was supposed to be. And I like that na they upgraded it to this. Pero syempre yung tone pa rin na magiging medyo joke time, kiddie, I guess, kiddie show pa rin siya. Yun lang yung medyo magiging ano sa akin. I wish it was serious, pero serious black, pero more serious than what we got sa What If. Pero we'll see where this goes.
Ako, feel ko, may ganyang tendency ang Marvel eh. Maganda siya sa trailer, pero hindi maganda yung ano, kapag nalabas na, hindi maganda yung execution. So still, mababa standards, expectations ko for this. Also knowing na, again, what if din pinanggalingan niya. So, yun. High likely nga naman na baka nagka-gore lang, pero same pa rin yung tone na jokey pa rin sila. Yeah. And if that happens, hindi ko alam if kakayanin ng mabawi ng series na to dahil lang gore.
Ako, excited ako. I hope na tinake nila yung review ng What If Season 3. And then they adapted to this. Maganda kasi yung concept. Actually, nung napanood ko yun sa bago so hindi ko kasi alam na may ganong comics, ganun. So, it's very new to me. So, ngayon, I'm just excited to see the whole thing. And I hope they do better this time.
Actually, totoo yun. May maganda yung timing nila na after ng Season 3. Baka meron nga naman silang natutunan. It's been a while actually.
So, with that being said, actually, we're gonna be watching the Marvel Zombies episode ng What If Season 1. Medyo na-meh ako sa Marvel Zombies na honestly.
Oh, sobrang disappointed.
The pacing was too quick. I remember yun yung medyo bad takes ko sa What If series eh. Yung super bilis ng pacing nila. Na hindi mo makatch what the hell is happening. Na up until Season 3, ganun talaga yung na somewhat, ganun din sa Eyes of Wakanda.
Sobrang excited ko sa What If series eh.
Sobra.
Kasi alam ko din yung What If comics. Tapos parang, yes, it is the perfect execution for the What If comics. Okay lang yan na i-cartoon. Pero yung What If Season 1, hindi siya yung in-expect namin paano nila kinonceptualize na parang, yun nga, it should have been What If sa MCU. Kasi yung kung ano-anong concept pinapasok nila. Ang pangit na mga
stories na
ang random masyado.
Alright, so with that being said, guys, again, we'll be watching the Marvel Zombies episode ng What If Season 1. So, let's dive in, my guys. Yeah, without further ado, let's dive in. In 3, 2, 1, let's dive in. Nataman, What If Season 1. Space. Oh, Chadwick Boseman pa pala to.
Reality.
Buhay pa si Chadwick.
It's more than a thing in your past.
Parang last na niya to. Pero honestly, wala na ako masyado maalala sa episode.
I am your guide through these
medyo lang.
vast new realities.
Actually, medyo naaalala.
Follow me. What if?
Kakaiba tayo.
Don't eat me. I'm vegan. Oh, come on. What now? Oh, God. Okay, this is disgusting.
Actually, that's already age pa ba naman? Hindi ko maalala. Oh!
Okay, so kind of violent na rin pala siya. No blood lang.
I'm definitely Dr. Hank Pym journeyed into the quantum realm,
Actually,
searching
maganda to.
for his long-lost
Maganda yung
life.
origins nila.
But in this universe,
On my mark. Out!
Ay, God.
Ay, shit.
Because once Earth's mightiest
my
heroes join the infected,
No!
one stood a chance.
New York, home of the Mets. The
Eh,
Chrysler
yan
Building.
yung mga ayoko kasi na ginagawa nila sa zombies. Parang minamaliit nila
You can
masyado.
make it here, you can make it anywhere.
As a
First,
zombie
you have to knock it easy.
fan, parang ayoko yung mga ganyang concept ng zombie movies. Yun
Step
yung
one,
type
Oh.
long
masyado.
sleeves.
Do I really have to be
Like
ready?
horror
Come on,
vibes.
the safety of the world depends on it.
Hindi na siya nakakatakot.
Here I come, bad zombie.
The rest of us will stay here and guard the perimeter.
More juice. We're getting more juice.
Sobrang,
Please,
ano eh,
working for Eddie.
engot
No,
ng
it's
moves
not
nila.
working. We're locked out of the gearbox.
Just birds.
Are you saying lamb?
Was I?
Yan.
Ayun o, parang nakakainis.
Happy! Man down, man down. We lost Happy.
Hindi ko gets yung humor ng ganun.
Sorry, Happy. Blair.
Ah, dami. Oh,
I'm sorry.
Ay, may sabi.
We should have stayed together.
labo nga.
Come on, girl.
Kainis.
Sharon? Sharon!
Ba't ba kasi sila magkakaiwalay?
Think you've had enough, Cap.
Ay,
Ay.
yun. Oo, namatay pala siya. Ay, gagi.
Guys, I'm covered in Sharon. The kid has hand sanitizer.
Hope. I think you're in trouble.
They love jokes.
Oh my.
My mom, Dad, Uncle Ben, Mr. Stark. Now Happy. I've lost a lot.
Hindi ko ramdam.
But my Aunt May says,
Si Sharon nga, hindi kayo
used to say, that if you don't keep smiling when they can't,
Yeah, we should cry.
Mas ginanong siya.
Naging zombie siya bigla. Nakakainis.
Sana nagpaka-tiny na lang siya kasi ano namang giant zombie siya.
Giant.
Giant.
Hindi ako magugulat kung zombie na siya na malaki dyan.
Guys,
Tatawid lang siya sa
aren't they
fence.
climbing the fence?
Excuse me? Excuse me, sire?
they don't have to scale anything.
The Veach, known to lurk in shadows of sacred burial grounds.
No, I totally just jump scared you. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
Spider-Boy, come on.
A vision. You're a vision. I tend to process traumatic events with dad jokes. Drives Hank crazy.
Lahat sila.
Drove Hank crazy.
Oh man.
That's what they're doing.
Hey, Tula, Tula.
What I wouldn't give to get chewed out by that old grump one last time. Guy did it again. Zombie pun.
Well, the operative point is I cured him.
Which means
What you're looking for. Nevertheless, born of logic.
Well, in Vision's defense, I've got nothing.
okay, wait, I don't get it. You cured the talking head, but not her.
Our powers are too strong.
Siya Ayan!
Whoa! Watch out! She's a man-eater! There it is! I'm doing it again!
Yes, Doctor, I believe you
Oh
are
my
right.
God. Ang labo.
Ano sabi niya?
Yes, doctor, I believe you're right. Bigla siya nag
Ayaw.
Natulungan na sila. Ayan.
My king, Wakanda forever!
time natin panoorin, tawang-tawa ako kasi naiinis na lang din ako sa kanila eh.
You haven't
Parang,
much time.
Bakit siya nagpakamatay, boss?
Ano purpose nun? Hello? Binigay na niya sa kanya.
yun yung kailangan ni Timex.
Sa bagay.
Pero parang sana sinettle muna niya.
Oo nga, sana tinulungan na muna sila kayo.
Ay, patay ka, boy.
Ano yun?
What the flip?
Ba't lang siya nanain?
Ayan!
Ay, lumabas yun.
Nice save, big guy.
Alam mo kahit sa What If series, parang wala akong nakitang
Magandang
malakas siya. Yung isa
Ay,
lang,
hindi, yung kaiju.
kaiju lang. Pero di ba, parang ang daming disappointed kayo. Parang pati dito, barong yan.
I'm sorry. No, she gave her life so we could get the cure.
Bakit kasi ng timing ng mga jokes nila?
Report for the Avengers. Go ahead,
Hindi
high
mo alam
five.
kung
It's
gusto
okay, I
mo
won't
matakot, maging serious.
You're right.
Tapos magdadrama siya, di ba? Pag sumpa kasi itong episode na to.
Sa Wakanda siya?
What? What?
What? Hey!
Okay, okay. Alright, so there goes our rewatch sa Marvel Zombies ng What If Season 1. So yeah, nakuha ko ulit yung vibe na kung ba't ako na-disappoint sa episode na to. It's just too goofy. Like, I don't like yung ginagawa nila sa horror, or at least sa zombie genre na ginagawa nilang joke time, much like yung Zombieland.
Pero,
Di ako fan doon. Yung meron pa isa yung mga bata sila. Coaches ba yun? Coaches, zombie,
Shaun of the Dead.
Shaun of the Dead.
Pero honestly, okay lang yun kasi straight comedy siya.
Oh.
Like, ito kasi may drama siya na, hindi, ang pangit ng mga timing nila, yung pacing nila, so halatang rushed eh. Gusto nilang magka-impact yung bawat character, pero hindi naman enough yung nabigay nila. Wala talaga akong pinavouch sa kanila. Okay lang sa akin kung namatay sila kasi ang careless talaga nila eh.
Oh, tsaka parang every time may mamamatay, parang wala lang talaga.
Oo,
Kaya
parang
hindi tuloy ako emotionally
hindi ka emotionally attached.
attached sa character. Kasi as much as gusto ko to si Spider-Man, parang if mamatay man siya, parang alam mo naman sa next scene na wala namang paki si Black Panther. Gagawin
Tsaka
na
parang,
mission.
ano ba kasing gusto nilang ma-feel ng audience nila? Gusto ba nilang tumawa sila sa death nila? Di ba parang, bleh, parang, okay, gusto mo ba tumawa kami? Like, corny. Like, it's not even funny.
I feel like dinadaan din nila yung ibang deep parts sa joke. Di ba, ang dami nilang hirit. Lalo na yung si
Batman,
si Scott. Parang, ano ba, kada nagsasalita siya, puro hirit. Gets ko naman, maganda naman yung hirit, like yung lines niya. Pero hindi lang siya appropriate dun sa scene.
Nangyari. Exactly.
Oo.
Friend mo si Baba Yaga.
Actually.
That's a man-eater. Bro! Namatay yung kaibigan mo, bro!
Kaibigan nga pala
Bakit
niya.
hell ka-work mo yun all those years? Tapos,
At the same time, parang bakit mo siseryosohin si Wanda? Visually nakakatakot siya, I would say. Pero kung ganun sila mag-react, parang bakit ako matatakot sa kanya kung kaya nyo mag-joke in the middle of what's happening? Diba? Parang ang hirap.
Ang bitin niya kasi kunwari yung may nahanap na cure, ang sarap na pag-usapan pa sana nila. Yung may deep words silang sinasabi, gets ko na as a general audience, hindi natin completely maiintindihan kasi it's very sciencey. Pero yung sagot lang nila dun is like, oh, it's just big brain stuff. Parang ganun. Parang meron silang ganun. Parang, but what is it? After a few na nanonood tayo, nagbago na din yung opinion ko sa mga pinapanood natin. Kasi I remember na nagustuhan ko to nung una ko siyang pinanood. I guess kasi sobrang bago pa sa akin ng theme, tas na-amaze pa ako dun sa parang, oh my god, zombie si Captain America, yung gano'n.
Gets naman.
So, nandun pa ako. Pero sa second watch, nagigets ko na yung sinasabi niya na, what the fuck?
Sa pag first watch kasi ma-overwhelm ka din. Oh, andun siya. Nonsense lang talaga nung mga nangyayari.
Daming nonsense.
Tapos kung iisipin mo siya sa overall, for me, hindi effective yung pag-maximize nila sa 30 minutes na yun. Kasi daming characters na sana kahit 5, tapos ayusin nila yung writing na maging emotionally attached tayo dun sa very few characters. Like ngayon yan, may natirang 3. Okay, so are we looking forward to them sa papanoorin natin? Spider-Man lang yung naaalala ko. So I'm assuming, I don't know, parang baka mamatay lang din sila. You've watched the Marvel Zombies comics breakdown. So pinanood ni Goblokes yun, and would you say it's the same?
Far siya kasi sa comics, ano sila, yung mga zombies nila dun, conscious sila sa actions nila. Pero hindi nila makontrol yung hunger nila. As in, nagsasalita sila, nag-uusap sila na parang, oh my God, I just killed Aunt May, si Spider-Man, I just killed my Aunt May and Mary Jane. Tapos very violent. Violent talaga yung nangyayari. Talagang mamatay itong sikat na hero
pero
na to.
may funny ba?
Walang funny, bro. Walang funny at all. Naging funny na lang nung Deadpool. Yung series ni Deadpool Zombie. Na hindi ko natripan. Naging si Deadpool na yung bida.
Yung goofiness nun, same dito or iba?
You know Deadpool, bro. Siyempre puro imik yun. Parang siyang
But I think ang difference nun is siya lang naman kasi yun eh. Parang given kasi na funny siya eh.
Yung ano
Ito kasi
talaga,
lahat sila parang joke time sila lahat.
yung Marvel Comics, no joke talaga. No joke time. Talagang serious na may threat. Kailangan nila gawin to. Kalaban nitong si ganyan. Maganda yung, okay yung comics. Malayo dito, bro.
Ito kasi,
Nakakainis.
lahat sila, for some reason, jolly. Like si Spider-Man. Gets ko pa siya kasi
Oh,
sabihin
sige.
mo ng bata kasi siya.
Sige.
Teen, tinatry niya maging happy.
Oh.
Ganun. Pero kasi, itatambal mo siya together with Scott lang. Ang dami ding hirit. Tapos ang serious lang sa kanilang 3 is si
Ba-
Black Panther. Ang
Wakanda
natira
forever.
Oo, naalala ko, tawang-tawa ko dun, parang, ang gagawin ko dun? Ang gagawin ko sa'yo?
Like, hindi siya lost sa akin. Kasi parang, extra ka lang naman so far.
Si Vision, sayang.
Oh, labo nung arc niya na yun.
Like, sana man lang, Vision, hinatid mo man lang sila sa quadjet bago ka gumanon, boss. Tinulungan mo muna sila paliparin yung quadjet.
Si Hulk.
Pero nasasayangan niya ako kay Hulk. Laging konti yung action scenes
Oo
niya.
nga eh.
For someone na super strong.
Oo.
Nerf as fuck.
Never nila pinakinggan yung mga fans or yung audience about Hulk.
I mean,
Animation na nga yun eh.
logically speaking, katapat niya si Scarlet Witch to. So, is that already a man?
Hindi naman sila naglaban eh.
Nagsuntukan sila eh.
Nagsuntukan sila.
Nagsuntukan. Yun na yun, tapos nag-pan out na lang sa quadjet.
Okay. I'm assuming tuloy na si Spider-Man magiging zombie yan sa medyo bumababa talaga expectations ko for this series. Kasi, tiyangala kung ganyan pa rin tone nila. Ewan ko na lang. Nandyan si andyan pa si Red Guardian. Siya yung magiging joke time
siya
dyan
yung
eh.
clown,
Tapos si
bro.
Miss Marvel pa, oh my God. Sila yung magiging dyan.
Parang wala na akong hope sa world kung lahat sila jolly kids na
Jolly yan, bro. Let's head straight to the real Marvel zombie series na. Alright, let's dive in 3, 2, 1. Narinig ko boses ni Watcher, lagot ka sa akin.
Okay. Sounds like an Evil Dead,
Okay, yeah.
EVM. Alright, Kate Bishop. Ooh!
Who's that?
Riri Williams.
Riri?
Miss Marvel. Oh, yung team nila, bro.
Oh, Young Avengers.
Avengers sila, bro.
Ayan na.
Was that a Quinjet?
Ayan na sila.
36XT. God, you're good.
You're gonna die, Riri, because I never saw you before.
I did the last burst thing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Again. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ayan na, here we go with the tone.
There's no way. What is this?
Oy!
Iba nyo talaga.
Henry, he looks dead.
Shh.
Seriously, why don't you put your hand in the zombie dust next time, okay?
No way.
Oh my God.
Friday. Hawkeye.
Friday. dead. Oh! Nice, nice.
Oh, awesome! I got a trick arrow!
I need one of them motherboards to fully crack it, but from a metadata,
Brain
this is
stuff.
part of something called Project Life Shot.
Shield network? Wait, how?
Because I mean,
That settles it. We have to get this thing to people who can use
That's
it.
really,
you
bro.
leave.
Mayabang naman kasi talaga si
No,
Riri.
we have everything we need here.
Except hope of any kind. If there's even a tiny chance that transmitter can help people, we have to get it to where it's going.
I mean, she kinda has a point.
Up at the chance
That's you.
That's me.
At 5%.
5? If we're all together, us 3.
Let's go save the world.
Okay, I'm loving the trio. And I hope they get fucked. Emotionally fucked. That's what I mean.
Oh yeah, maiden voice of the USS Sakura, baby.
Peppy?
Engage number 1.
I like Miss Marvel.
She's very bunso coding.
Yeah.
Parang may, maganda yung dynamic nila tatlo.
They added the red eye.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Ba't siya may red?
Yeah, let's see if... I feel like hindi lang sila nagsasalita pero smart sila.
Avenge. Through me. A gift from your queen.
Ah, nagsasalita sila.
Okay. Kinokontrol na siya nila ni ano. Scarlet.
Oh my.
Si Scarlet may pakana.
I'll alert the perk service.
Shut up, Kate. Yeah, we're taking a shortcut.
They're close. I feel the chemistry right there.
For me, middle child si Riri.
Siya yung parang medyo
Independent.
black sheep.
Weird.
Sobrang black sheep ng ano niya.
Tsaka parang sobrang caring ate.
Okay pa sa
The
akin yung
pacing.
scenes na to eh. Yung pacing.
Yung pacing niya maganda.
Yung mga hirits nila parang pwede pa eh. Kasi wala pa nangyayari. Hindi sila umihirit during battle. Fuck.
We'll see.
It's a
Maaga
shield
pa.
base in Ohio anyway.
Wow, there's a
Really?
Thor.
Try faster.
Never seen the Thor. So.
Ito parang before yung lightning.
Warrior? Ooh! Kamala! Wow! That's what I like to see. Showcasing some abilities.
Yeah.
It's such a natural way din.
Oh.
Very forced. Sanay na
Parang,
sila
oo, tama. Parang gets na nga nila eh, na siya yung defense.
Our shortcut was too good to be true.
Think the storm is withdrawing?
Oh my God.
Not a terrible hypothesis.
Hey, there. There, look.
Laban.
Are those people?
Yo!
God!
Oh shit.
Sinerte sila.
Oh, hi.
Riri, don't die now, girl. I like it.
Delta formation, go!
Where's Kamala doing?
Wow!
Hey, Kamala?
Sino, Nova? Come on, tell me that's Nova. Who is that?
Martyr. Quasar? Oh, Adam Warlock! Wait, sino?
Zombie.
Negative. The being is inorganic and heavily
Ay,
damaged.
gago! Eternal, bro!
Oh
Si ano?
my-
Si Icarus!
Hindi na.
Oh, Storm!
Oh, sila yung nag...
Storm tsaka Icarus, Brad!
Storm ba yun? Or Captain Marvel, bro?
Captain Marvel, sorry.
Money!
Gago, let's go! Eternal!
We're here, bro.
Honestly, okay naman yung Eternals eh.
Oh!
Oh my god, sige. I like that.
Oh my god. Don't die, Kamala.
Take me back! I can't do that, Miss Khan.
That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see.
Get to Ohio.
What?
It's up to you now.
Where
I lost my first donor. I won't lose another.
Take me with you.
Yo, Friday, bro.
Damn, this shot, man.
Let's go, Kamala, bro. I'm rooting for you, bro.
Go, go.
Let's go. This is so beautiful, bro.
Ganda gagi. What the freak? Fuck, namatay si Kate, pare. Ang alan.
Who was that?
Oh.
What are you?
They call me Blade.
Yo.
Mexico and drink a margarita, but Conchu wanted me to race across the country and help the fools that went into that.
Alright.
Damn, Kate Bishop, though. That was...
Alan. Pero I like her death. Parang,
Imaginary friend?
Friend of a friend.
yun yung okay. Parang jokey siya, pero alam mo yun, parang surprising siya eh. Ano daw?
Patay si
You're
Kate.
like half god. My bangle's magic.
Cool.
Cute.
That's what I want to see. That's good.
Good pacing.
Good pacing, bro.
Oh, masala naman ay. What the fuck?
Ang sad, ang sad.
Mas nasad ako kay Riri. Nagulat lang talaga ako kay Kate.
Hindi siya
Sobra.
agad nag-register sa akin na
Oo.
oh shit.
Tsaka
Kasi
kita mo
may
yung,
comedy eh. Pero parang okay naman yung pacing niya eh. Hindi siya
tsaka yung
annoying.
naging buto siya, parang holy crap.
Parang really...
Hindi na siya zombie, bro. She's actually dead.
Found?
Don't worry, they will not bite.
Tapos nanay niya, no? Ni Elena. Russian boy.
Lower your fist.
Ay, oo nga.
Nanay nga. Ay, mag-ano. Family.
How are you
They're
doing
controlling
that?
it like the
A
pig.
neurological agent developed to control humans.
Diba,
Works
yung
even
pig.
better on zombies. They provide camouflage for our home.
She used to have pigs. The zombies ate them.
Ah.
Okay. Hey, Daddy, look, there's the horde.
Mm.
This is what they want.
Hey, stop! The night we fall!
Oh, naging leader siya, ah. In fairness, ah. I like it. Panahin.
Powers.
Abomination! Ay,
Oh, eh?
gagi. Half body nga lang si Captain.
Nasa comics half siya.
Hindi, di ba?
Ayaw nga nahati nga pala.
Si Abomination.
Before grapes, they're on the roof.
Where's the other half of you?
What the heck? Okay. That's really smart. Dami. Woo! Let's go! Aray ko. Oh my god!
Fighting is cheating!
I'm hoping that the sea is here. Need a hand?
Ooh!
I did it.
Holy ghost. Oh shit, you guys are dead.
Oh, ano ba yung tsura mo?
Ah!
Wala lahat ng...
Ay.
Protect the girl. She holds the future in her hands.
I'm with the bear!
Ah!
Ay, pati.
Come on.
Oh my god, ang lakas niya.
Who follow the queen?
Ah, shit. Oh, girl. Goodbye.
That's good. That's good.
Duck.
Oh! Shit, nag-gusto siya doon. Grabe tong first episode na to, man. Ang laman ng first episode.
Go.
Yun na.
Mama!
wala pa masyadong ambag si Elena eh.
I know where to find one.
Damn! Okay! Oh, wow, that is way too far sa what if, bro.
Grabe.
Wow.
Ang unfair nila! Bakit ganun? Ang ganda ng writing nila kay Riri, Kate, tsaka kay Kamala na relationship. Kasi excited na ako makita paano yung adventure nila the next episode. Tapos, naudlot agad. Parang, ha? Naiyak na ako kanina eh. Hindi ko alam if dahil din, parang tatlo silang, para silang magkakapatid. Tapos parang, oh, relate ako. Girl power, let's go. Tapos parang, oh my God, ang lakas nila masyado. Nakakaiyak. Tapos, nung lumitaw na si Bate, nagka-hope ako ulit na, okay, ito na, may bagong team up na naman. Wala, gusto ko talaga si Bate as a character. So, happy ako makita siya. Yun na mention kanina na, paano naman si Kate, ang comedic nung parang may confetti, tapos biglang...
Shit, sabi niya shit ata.
Tapos biglang namatay na siya. Medyo realistic na siya.
Actually, realistic nga siya. Walang plot armor eh. Patay ka talaga, men.
Oo.
And, yun yung nagustuhan ko. Kasi, nag-mourn sila.
Oo.
Kaya mas na-feel ko eh.
Oo,
Hindi
yeah.
katulad ng what if, pang, bro, namatay si Sharon, mag-mourn muna kayo. Ito, hanggang ngayon, hanggang sa dulo. Si Kamala parang for
Yun.
Riri and for...
Yeah.
Diba?
For me, yun yung strength ng so far series na to. Meron silang bida. Like, yun yung wala sa una. Parang dami nilang, hindi mo alam sino yung bida
Bruce
eh.
pa nga eh.
O, si Bruce una, tapos nawala naman.
Pero, hindi mo alam, wala nangyari sa kanya.
Tapos may motivation.
Na-sideline
For
siya.
me, mas may motivation yung mga characters dito. Yung dati kasi parang survive lang, ganun lang. Sobrang basic lang eh, survive lang eh. Eto meron na eh. Meron silang transmitter, tapos for honor sa mga namatay. Yun na, parang may gumagalaw yung plot. Tapos parang, for me, ang bida dito syempre si Kamala. And effective for me. Bakit ganyan yung character niya? Kasi di ba nga, namatay yung mga parang kapatid na niya eh.
Tsaka mas interesting yung zombie dito.
Oo, may character din sila eh. May personality din sila eh.
Mas nakakatakot sila.
Yeah, overall, I guess panalo din sila sa pacing. Hindi ko, is the timing same?
Same. 5 minutes difference.
Pero kasi they have 4 episodes in total
sige.
to cover yung...
Kaya that's my point. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa What If series eh. Bakit ang dami nyong gusto mangyari sa minadali nyo masyado yung episode na yun? Ba't di kayo nag-focus sa isang plot na talagang pumunta sila sa... Ayun, di ko nga alam paano sila mag-connect eh. Parang naiba na yung mission nila eh. Kasi Mindstone yung mission nila dun eh.
Oo nga, tapos
ngayon transmitter
sa Nova Corps na. We'll see. Wala pa naman si Spider-Man.
Hindi, pero kasi dun sa trailer nandun yung kita.
So mag-connect pa dun
mag-connect pa ata. Mas maayos yung writing nila for this. Yun yung naging problem talaga ng MCU for me. Ang dami nilang sinasaksak na characters. Ayun tuloy yung kailangan nila mag-isip na paano kaya natin sila i-connect. Yun yung nangyari sa What If kanina eh. Parang puro cameo lang eh. Yun lang yung naging purpose talaga ng episode na yun eh.
Pero ito parang lahat may purpose naman.
So far ramdam na ramdam ko dito yung horror niya talaga. Even if may comedy sila, bro, pasok eh. Pasok sa akin. Like, sakto si Red Guardian. Siguro kasi walang sumasapaw kay Red Guardian. So far, si Red Guardian palang hindi na nagbibiro dito eh. Pero nung doon kinala Kamala Khan, yung sa trio, si Kamala Khan, hindi na nagbibiro. Pero tiga mo, ngayon na nagsama sila, hindi sila nagsasapawan. Parang nung may scene na sabi ni Red Guardian, meron kaming shield motherboard dito. Tapos sabi ni Kamala, yun nga yung reason ba't kami na. Pero hindi siya parang, yun nga yung reason na, hindi siya joke type na dineliver.
Exactly, that's why we're here.
Pag si Spider-Man meets Scott lang, yes. Gano'n sila
That's
parang.
right.
Yeah, that joke.
Saka parang ang bilis din ng switch ni Kamala na, okay, serious time, namatayan na ako.
Namatayan siya. Ramdam mo na nagmamorn talaga siya. Kaya emotionally, nakadikit ako kay Kamala here kasi naramdaman mo initially sa episode na sisterhood to, sisters sila. Tapos, holy fuck, kung namatay sila sa harapan mo ng gano'n-gano'n, gago, mag-iiba talaga ako. Ewan ko na lang, magpalit pa siya ng ugali the next couple of episodes. Pero at least, na-pull off nila dito yung consistency ng dapat realistic emotion mo once you
be in that situation.
Be in that situation. And you're realistic so far. In terms of abilities. Exactly.
Marami sa kanila
na-showcase nila.
Kahit yung nanay ni Elena kasi
Oh.
yung ang angas
Wow.
nun, ang angas nun.
Nakakatakot
Pero-
yung scene.
Yeah, kawawa yun, no?
Si Okoye, nakakatakot eh.
Sayon.
Nabawi yung Wakanda forever niya.
Actually, nabawi.
We're heading straight to episode 2. Very exciting. Okay, let's dive in 3, 2, 1. Let's dive in. Alright. You know, yung ganyang shots, scenes.
Oh,
Sean nga pala tawag ko.
Huh? Ano yan?
Na Team Particles.
Oh my god. What the heck? Grabe, ang ganda ng one-shot sila by the way. Yung kanina kay Kamala Khan.
Oh.
Ang ganda nun. Ay,
Ito yung nasa-start.
Kakabay lang pala sila. Whoa! Yo!
No filter, guys.
Oh my god! Gagi, nakakatakot. Ang angas. Ay, si ano? Oh, si ano, Agent, ano, Wong? Ay, hindi. Yung ano, Asian na image
Asian na,
magic.
oo.
Jimmy Wong din nata siya.
Mga pangalan ko. May mga Shang-Chi style. Let's go, Shang-Chi style.
Hindi niya ba alam ni Amo Pina.
How are you? You can fight?
No, don't die, magician! Okay, may ambag yung military, hindi lang puro Avengers. Oh! Wenwu! Let's go! Daddy! Daddy! Fucking hell! Let's go! Oh my god! Don't, he's gonna die. Diyan niya mabibigay yung rings niya.
Let's go, Daddy.
Who the hell is that guy?
Let's go, Daddy.
Shit! Lala! Ang ganda!
Daddy.
Oh my gosh, ang lakas.
Ayaw niya.
People out of here. Leave them. They're not important.
Oh, that's him.
Okay, sige. Could have fought. She could have fought, bro.
Beaten. Pero okay lang, okay lang. Sana more action with Wenwu.
I mean, they gave action naman, pero sige.
Ang galing! Kamuha nila.
So, what do we do now?
Who are you? Ito ba yung na kay ano, with Falcon?
We survive.
Do I wanna be there?
Oo nga, mga Asian sila.
Take it, that dealer. Come on. Bandits on our six.
Scrolls.
Scrolls.
Trying to steal our cows.
my-
Everyone ready?
We're almost Scrolls there. Okay, sige. Yay!
You know what? You are so deadly.
Oh my gosh. Yan yung parang ma-touch ka sa kanila.
Oh yeah, lots of cows. That might do it.
Are you kidding me? It might do it. Yeah, when was the last time you had a hamburger? Okay, that's what I thought.
Hey, not my decision.
You have to put it down, bud.
Ayan na.
Okay. Whoa.
Hey, everybody!
Walker!
Your Baron is
Siya
here.
yung leader. Ay,
Oh!
Baron Zemo!
There are heroes among us.
whoa.
Uy, hindi kulungan.
Ay, maliit.
Sit
Huh?
on the seat.
Ano yan? Yan ata. Ay, hindi.
Kulungan
Ay, ano, raft?
Oh, yung kulungan, di ba?
Oo nga. Oh, shit.
Wow. Is this gonna be a fight or? I kind of wanted to, so.
Ay, cute.
I owe you one, buddy.
No, I like them, bro.
Ang wild ng ano nila. Ang ganda ng chemistry. Parang hindi mo ina-expect eh.
Nakakatawa si Elaine naman ni si US
Let
Agent.
us
Hindi siya
honor
magkakilala
the ones
dyan.
we have lost.
You know, nagmamorn pa rin siya.
The ones we wish could have joined us.
I can have more.
Yeah, you can have as much as you want.
Really? This is
Oh my
incredible.
god.
Wow. So are you gonna share or?
Of course, pile it up. You can have as much as you want. You know, maybe it's just like the spending 5 years on the road.
Make me immortal.
So what's the deal with you two?
Who two? Us two?
Ah.
No. We're just friends.
I see. That's good.
Oh.
Oh.
Hey, has anyone seen the salt? Oh no,
No.
I think I found it. Behind your ear.
Magic in under a minute?
Spacecraft in New Asgard. That's where we're going.
Okay.
Okay.
Boat.
Well, good luck with all that.
The boat. The goats are here, bro. Are we gonna see?
Ayan na.
Oh.
Whoa. That's so oh hell. That's scary. Oh my god.
And if their boss shows up?
That's what we have heroes for.
What the? Yes, sir.
Oh,
Hello.
Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
shit.
Hello.
Oh my god, kinuha na rin siya.
Who the hell are you? Ba't siya natin?
He's hungry, and we've learned the only way to stop him is to feed him.
What?
It's our dirty little secret. Don't worry, you'll be remembered as heroes.
Hold your breath.
Ha? Ito ba?
Wow.
Let the heroes
Gawin ganyan
feed
talaga
the
si,
beast.
ano eh, Zemo eh. Galit talaga siya sa heroes.
We gotta help him.
You guys are going back.
Trust me, we will
You're
all
dead.
be safe.
Yeah.
Ayan. Pero same position.
Let's go, boy. Open it up.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Ooh! Jimmy, don't die, Jimmy.
Sige naman, hindi ko malalim. Malalang, random lang.
Lock the door. On it.
This agent is a fucking douche.
Hold up! Let's go! Let's go!
Wala.
Bilis niya.
Girl save. That's some scary shit.
Oh, it's a spring. Saan yun na? Ayan na.
Yan.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, whoever you are. No, Jimmy! Somebody's gonna die.
US agent is dead.
They killed my boy. They killed fucking
It was
US agent.
No!
No.
Ooh. Damn, this is so.
Ooh. Ooh.
Let's go. Nice, nice, nice.
Go, Kamala. What the heck?
fuck? They fucking killed my boy. My boy, US agent, nag-slow-mo pa siya. Sabi niya,
Ay! Sili na!
Ah, you shit.
Clear to leave. But I'm going down with the ship, I'm afraid.
You don't get to say that to me, Yelena!
I love you, Danny.
No! Do not leave me! Yelena!
Some for me. Some for my friends. More for me.
Where to?
Fuck
Take
you,
us to the
Barry.
rest group.
You suck.
Wala na siyang choice eh.
Fuck you.
Tangina niya.
ang alat ni Baron, honestly.
Fuck you.
Pero true to his
Character.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh!
Damn.
Actually, okay lang naman yung scenes ni Elena. Parang hindi rin siya na-utilize masyado.
Mas
someone-
bida si Red Guardian.
Oh, for someone na ngayon, kilalang kilala si Elena, feel ko maraming madi-disappoint kasi hindi siya masyadong bida dito.
Pero na-utilize pa rin naman siya naman.
Pero sobrang side character
Pero
niya
oo nga, sobrang side character
season.
nga siya.
Ano kasi, yung focus yata nila is hindi yung mga sikat talaga.
Yeah, that's good. Kasi kahit si US Agent parang, damn, sobrang ina na siya dito.
Natawa ko sa
Nag-slow-mo.
Pero sige.
Nakakatawa naman. For me, wala masyadong pinakitang strength sila ni Elena tsaka ni US Agent. Doon lang ako medyo nasayangan. Booker meron naman din siyang strength eh. Hindi masyado napakita for me. Parang sobrang scaredy cat niya dito eh.
Ay, gagi, hindi siya naging dito kasi. Sundalo pa lang siya.
Hindi nga.
Hindi siya US agent, bro. Eh, may
Oh my
si Captain
Ay, oo,
America
may
eh.
Captain America pa kasi.
Pre,
Oh my God, oo nga!
Sundalo pa siya.
Oo
Hindi pa nakuha
nga!
Righteousness ng pagiging Captain America.
Agagi, oo nga! Hindi
Normie
pala,
pa siya.
normie lang siya dyan.
Kaya,
So that makes sense, that makes sense. Sige. Okay lang na medyo ginawa siyang side.
Oo nga,
Side
hindi
quest
ko na connect yun. Again, tama ka naman, mas binibigyan nila ng spotlight yung iba.
Baka dahil nag-Thunderbolts, tas okay naman siya sa Thunderbolts. So akala siguro, niya
Pwede,
matagal siya,
pwede.
slow-mo.
Enjoy ko yung episode na to. Nandun yung morning pa rin talaga ramdam mo. So talagang attached ako. Now, super na-enjoy ko yung grupo nila Shang-Chi. Jimmy, Agent Jimmy, holy crap. I like how na-reuse nila yung character tapos sobrang na-in love ka ulit kay Jimmy Wong. Na-pull off nila yun na maayos. Tapos imagine mo, nagka-chemistry siya with Deathstalker.
Oo.
Ang ganda nun, like, na-in love ako with Deathstalker, bro. Like,
Yeah.
naglulurot ako sa kanya na huwag siya mamatay, bro. Kasi I remember Deathstalker, wala lang siya sa Shang-Chi movie. Like, parang ang bummer nung death niya din dun. Like,
Actually,
ganun lang siya namatay ng
Soul Eater.
dragon o Soul Eater. I like na napagbibigyan nila kahit yan nga, alam mong hindi naman na sila lalabas sa future ng MCU. Nabibigyan pa rin nila ng justice yung characters na in-introduce nila. Yun yung gusto ko.
Yung ibang side characters din. As in,
Oo.
naawa ako sa kanila.
Yung si Mohawk Girl, pati si Calbo na may tem. Like, magaling! Kasi, yung intro pa lang may family na sila dun, yung naka-Mad Max mode sila. Like, pinakita mo na, okay, solid tong grupo na to. Tapos may highlights sila. Angas din sila Mohawk Girl. Nagpapatay lang sila ng Skrulls. Ganun. Ganda eh.
Para siya yung, yung How Zeke Got Religion. Ang dami ng characters dun eh. Tapos hindi ko rin sila nakabisado sa first watch ko. Pero maaawa ka sa kanila. Na-establish kasi nila na parang comrade sila eh. Brotherhood sila. Tapos feel mo talaga maaawa ka sa kanila eh. Kasi paano rin sila mag-react pag namamatay. Magmumorn na nga agad sila. Kasi, gaganan sila eh. Sabi ko yung isa eh. Sinabi niya yung name nung namatay yung isa. Galit siya. So parang nakakaawa talaga.
Tsaka maganda yung pag-utilize nila dito ng Skrulls. Yung mga...
yun.
Yung mga
Gusto ko yun.
nila.
Kasi, honestly, nakakalimutan ko na sila kasi not gonna lie, medyo oversaturated na yun. Ang daming characters na pinapakilala. tapos hindi pa maganda yung last na ano ng Skrulls. So, nung nandito sila parang, nasa universe pa nila.
Nandyan sila sa Earth, napakinabangan yung characters.
For me, for some reason, may sense din eh. Or I guess, maganda lang talaga yung writing. Kasi, di tulad ng mga dating, yung mga what if episodes, ang hilig, yun nga, ino-oversaturate nila ng dahil lang, o nga pala, may ganito character, saksak na natin.
Sa comics, may ganito.
May ganito. Lalagay natin, sinong pwedeng ipatong dyan, ganyan. Ito parang, may sense naman din, Skrulls, parang,
hindi na nila kailangan mag-fake na tao kasi wala na eh.
I also like yung 5 years ago, yung origins kung saan nanggaling yung zombies from the Pym Lab. Ang galing eh, na nakakonect pa rin nila doon.
Yeah.
Tapos ang ganda nung one-shot scene, nung kay Shang-Chi, kay KD noon. Wow,
same
start na yung zombies.
Same doon kay Kamala kanina sa first episode.
Oh.
Yung si Icarus versus
ang ganda nung kay Icarus talaga, tsaka
kay Captain Marvel. Sorry, na-mistaken ko kay Storm yun.
Ang ganda ng cameos na yun. Wenwu, bro. Ako doon yung Lucy-Goosey baby. Lucy-Goosey baby ako doon.
Na-mistaken ko yun. Akala ko si yung kapatid niya. Wala yung kapatid ni Shang-Chi. Tapos sabi ko, ay hindi pala kasi sa huli nangyari yung na-own na nung kapatid niya yung nung dad, yung mafia nung dad. Pero sayang lang namatay siya.
Kulang.
Sana, medyo may pagkabitin pero parang nasasakto siya eh. Hindi siya yung parang what if na kakababa lang tapos mamatay agad. Ito meron pa kahit pa paano. Medyo.
Meron pa rin.
Pero it could have been more.
It could have been more pero mas okay na yun kaysa sa mga blank.
Sana naglaban pa sila together ni Shang-Chi. May bonding, may father-son bonding. Yun okay pa yun. Father-son bonding.
Pero yung na-feel ko dito, ito yung hinahabol kong feeling sa what if side.
For sure.
Pati yung attachment sa character.
Yeah.
Hindi same yung attachment ko sa what if characters kahit sa iba pang episode. Parang sakto lang.
Tsaka na-feel mo yung mas malakas talaga yung zombies. Nakakatakot talaga sila. Sa kasi bam. Ginagagam lang nila yung zombies eh. Corny.
Tsaka yung mga death may sense.
So that's about it with our Marvel Zombies reaction. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please do show us some love by subscribing, smashing that like button, hitting the notification bell to not miss any future contents from yours truly. Doing all these would definitely help us out on our YouTube partner program journey. As you can see, 90% of our audience aren't subscribed yet. 300 out of 3,000 watch hours is still a long way to go, so it'd be a huge favor if y'all could help the Marvel Slumber Squad out. For us to be able to continue our passion on creating quality entertainment content for y'all, we'll be covering all the latest updates, character reveals, gameplay breakdowns, movie and trailer reviews, mainly Marvel stuff, so stick around for more. Do follow me on my YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, Facebook, and Letterboxd accounts at YKSD Goblocast. It's your favorite Marvel trio here, YKSD Goblocast. And we are the Marvel Slumber Squad. Stay epic, stay legendary, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.